Good morning. I am just getting ready to go I have a cardio workout that I'm actually gonna go do today. But before I do that, I'm going to try something that was just gifted to me. So I'm doing a little unboxing here. Kevin Hart created a superfood protein and I'm super excited. They reached out to me and I love trying naturally sourced, good quality supplements. And this is a superfood with vegan protein and it has probiotics and adaptogens in it. And anybody that knows me or has worked with me knows I'm obsessed with adaptogens and I'm obsessed with probiotics and gut health. And supposedly this drink does it all. So I'm excited to try it. And it mixes really well. So they gave me this little shaker cup. I'm gonna put a scoop in, shake it up and see how it tastes plain with water, okay?